Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to talk about a new merit-based immigration system that can replace our current immigration system. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Michael Ashoori and I'm a US immigration lawyer based in Los Angeles. At my law firm, we regularly post videos to keep you up to date with what's happening in immigration. So if you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button now. So over the last couple of weeks, President Trump has released multiple tweets saying that he's going to sign a new executive order to transform our current immigration system to become a merit-based immigration system. Now, while it's very hard to imagine that our entire immigration system could be changed with an executive order, I do tend to believe him. And the reason why I believe him is that what we've seen over the last few months is that when President Trump tweets about making changes to immigration, he ends up following through with them. So, again, over the last couple of weeks, he's mentioned that he's going to sign an executive order in the near future, which transforms our current immigration system to become a merit-based immigration system. So what does that mean exactly? In order to properly understand what that means, we first need to explore our current immigration system. Now, our current immigration system is based on several different categories. There are multiple ways right now to immigrate to the United States. We have family-based options. For example, if somebody is married to a US citizen or a lawful permanent resident, they can immigrate to the United States based on that marriage. Similarly, if somebody is the parent of an adult US citizen or the child of a US citizen, there are also ways to immigrate based on that relationship. There's also employment-based immigration options. For example, if somebody has a job offer to come work in the United States, there could potentially be ways to immigrate based on that job offer. There are also investment-based immigration options. For example, somebody could potentially invest in a US business and immigrate based on making that investment. There are also immigration options for highly skilled individuals. So if somebody is at the very top of their field, or if somebody's going to be working in the United States in an area that benefits the entire nation, there are also separate ways to immigrate to the United States. Now, there are also options to immigrate to the United States based on a person's individual hardships. So through asylum and refugee options, somebody that's facing tremendous difficulties and hardships in their home country can also immigrate to the United States. Also, we have immigration options for people that are from diverse backgrounds. So people that are from countries that do not have a strong representation in the United States can enter the diversity lottery to come to the United States based on their diversity. So as you can see, under our current system, there are several ways to immigrate to the United States. Now, under a merit-based system, which is what President Trump is proposing, the focus would go away from all these individual categories and instead focus on an individual's personal accolades, their personal merits, their personal background. So again, whereas our current immigration system focuses on multiple categories, in a merit-based immigration system, the focus would be on the individual's credentials and their individual merits. And the focus would not so much be on their potential hardships that they're facing and other such things. So under a more merit-based system, preference would be given to more highly skilled people and other such individuals with high credentials, more so than people that are facing hardships and stuff like that. So that's the idea of what a merit-based immigration system is like. Now, how would a merit-based immigration system work in the United States? Well, none of the details have yet been released on how a merit-based immigration system would be carried out in the United States. So the best way to understand how this could potentially work is to look at other countries that have adopted merit-based immigration systems. One country that has adopted a merit-based immigration system is Canada. And in Canada, the way they do their merit-based immigration system is through a point system. So people are assigned points based on certain factors. So for example, somebody's English speaking ability could give them points. Somebody's education level could give them points, and somebody's work specialization could also give them points. And essentially, the person with the most points is more competitive for immigrating to Canada under their system. So if the US were to adopt a similar point system, it could be where points are assigned based on particular factors. What those factors are is yet to be determined. And we're closely going to monitor this for any additional updates to see, if there's a draft of the executive order that's sent out, or if there are any new announcements made about this executive order. So we're going to closely monitor this to see any updates. So I know that's kind of a ton of information to digest. I hope you guys found this video extremely helpful. If you did, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button. When you hit that thumbs up button, it really helps us out. And again, if you haven't yet done so, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Subscribing to our channel is the best way to stay up to date with all of our content. If you know anybody that could benefit from this video, definitely make sure to share it with them. At our firm, we're all about empowering you with knowledge. So the more people that see this video that can benefit from this video, the better. And lastly, if you have any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for tuning into this video, and I will see you on the next one.